Okay, this is the choreography for the stage right people. So that would be when we split center, the people on stage right, and for the people that are like in rows 1, 3, 5, you're also going right for that grapevine. Okay, so we start with down and up. The right hand goes down to the left hip and across up to blade. Most wonderful time of the year. We go sway, sway, step, turn, step, turn. Okay, and then we have step touch with the cross of the hands. Step, down, step, down. So it's cross, cross, then up, down. Then we do this on our ripple. So stage right people will turn to the right. Jazz hand goes straight out on your ripple. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. Then you pull back and clean. And then we have the other side. Most wonderful. Make sure you look up at the hands so that the attention is drawn upwards from the audience perspective. And then we go down this way, and then we do the grapevine. So again, stage right, rows 1, 3, 5 will go stage right. Step, behind, step, hit. This hand goes out, and the head goes to the side to hit that strongly. You'll hear it in the orchestra. And then 3-point turn back, and then we go this way. Split center. Stage right goes right first. Then rond de jambe back, hit, pop. So that's the first chunk. 5, 6, go. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Sway, and then pivot, turn. Will be much, kids, you go belling and everyone telling you 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, pull back and clean. It's the most wonderful time of the year. 1, 2, 3, hit, 6, 7. Now we split center, right? And then around, pop. The next chunk, again, is in opposition. So we're going to ball change out, up, down, ball change left, up, down. And so stage left would go in and out. So it's split center away from center, split center into center, and go. So then we just have into center, sway slow. Then we go back to this again. Okay, so that goes, it's the happiest season of all, with the holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season. Now this is different the second time. We go straight up this way, then straight out. Other than that, it's the same on that chorus for holiday greetings. So then we have couples. So if you are on the floor, like cantus on the floor, we do this in rows. Row 1 goes right and just does the girls' part. Row 2 goes left, does the guys' part. And in the aisles, you both do the girls' part, and you're just back to back, so it'll be in opposition. But on stage, you guys are in, if you're in couples, again, sound, you'll be on your sides of the stage, and you'll go split center. But like Electrum, Cantabile, and the sound girls who are in Electrum who have, and the other sound girls who have partners, you'll do this in opposition with your partner. So I'm a guy, so this would be going left. Girls, you do opposite, going right. We do chasse, then we do ball change, then drag, then clean down, feet together and hands together. Then we go this way, step, touch across, and then snap down from the shoulders. And then we have snow and clean. So again, that goes, there'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. Dun, da, 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 da. Now we push against our partner, so guys are doing like an inverted lunge right, girls do it left, push and turn back, push and turn back, then ball change out away from your partner. And then after we do this, we do show choir slaps. 1, 2, kick, cross, turn. Then we go back to here. And then that's all the same. The only difference on the third time is that we sing much mistletoeing, and then we also do this extra thing to prepare for the opera hands. Okay? So, this whole section from couples or partners, 5, 6, and There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. Dun, 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 dun. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of good glories of Christmases long, long ago. Up, cross, turn. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And pivot, turn. This is all the same. Much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, pull back and clean. It's the most wonderful time of the, and then this is the same, year. And then we have another year, the into center, and 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. And on 4, you're going to pop your feet out to like ballet position 1. So we do 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. So if you're a 4, you actually have to go 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. You have to do that at the same time. And then this will be here. Parties for hosting, and you just act it out. And then we have Ronde back on Scary Ghost Stories. Then you pop the head up. Then it goes out, cross, down. We have 2 show choirs, down, then out, cross, turn. Then we go up into the center. Then left hand goes fists. Right hand goes fists, but that's the inside hand. So stage left people would go right, then left. Okay? So this goes clap up, inside, outside. Now the feet here go sway, chasse, prep, chaîné, turn. Okay, so again, we have sway in, ball change out, chasse, prep, chaîné, turn, and then lunge out. The hands are going to go up, and then flip, and then prep, and then turn, and then into the center on your ripple. Okay, so that is long ago, it's the most wonderful, wonderful time, pop. So it's wonderful time, pop, of the sway, slow, sway, slow. Then we go back to this again. And then this is the 4th time. So we have a slightly different ending again. It's the most, we go inside, down, then we go outside. Most wonderful time. Then we chug in. Most wonderful time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, cross down. Guys, you can just go cross down. Actually, let's go to fists. Cross down to fists. Of the. Now we're going to go 1s, 3s, 5s go up, then down. 2s and 4s, rows 2 and 4s, evens, go down, then up. Then we burst in opposition, out, and then a ronde around. Then we're going to go prep, out, turn, down, up. And that's split center. And that's the whole thing.